Hey guys, listen, I just want to say a huge thank you for the support of Road to Rosina. That trip was incredible. But that all led to one moment, and that's this moment right here. Rosina is built. We're in the soft opening phase, and I want to show you around, give you guys, as my YouTube supporters, the absolute exclusive on what this place looks like. I couldn't be prouder, and I want you to see it now. So if you see here, look, first of all, we built this fantastic terrace on the outside. It was a bit scruffy before, but now that just looks like a beautiful place to dine. But the magic happens in here. Come through the door. Okay, so in here we have the bar. This is more like vertical drinking, beautiful cocktails, amazing barman. And this is where people will come and have a sort of beautiful pre-dinner cocktail, or just use the place for drinks as well. We've got artwork, which are black and white photos and color photos from David Steen, who was a world famous photographer in the 1950s, 60s and 70s. Come through this way. We've got Jason manning the bar here, this guy making drinks. Beautiful marble, which we sourced in Italy. And we've got all this sort of detailed bar front here that mirrors Trinity as well. And a beautiful back bar. This is the main bar here. Beautiful piece of artwork, which was made by the incredible Johnny Gent. This was made after the great roast that I did at Sessions Arts Club for him. So super proud of that and super grateful. Thank you, Johnny. You are the man. Come through this way.
Absolutely. Listen,
We've got a kind of secondary bar here, Sam. So this is more like have some food in the bar, sit back a bit, relax, have some longer drinks and a bit of food in this bar. Also overspill for the restaurant as well. So we've got another space here. Remember I said it was a big old space. Look how beautiful the room looks there. Let's pick up on some of that detail. Do you remember I picked up all those rocks in the beach in the Amalfi Coast and I said they were going to be our coat tags? Well, you know what? Here they are. Those are the actual stones that came off the beach in the Amalfi Coast, all numbered for our coat tags. And it's just those small things that give the detail when I walk around and I see that, I remember those incredible days. So that's the detail of that. We've got the whole room done now in a really sort of white, stark look. I wanted it really white and I wanted the people to bring the color and the shape and the texture. And it's things like these lights that we had made, these plaster lights of vegetables, so bringing food into the room as well. Everything's nice and clean and simple. We've got linen. I really love linen, so we're using beautiful linen tablecloths, beautiful linen nappy. We've got candlelight because there's no better light than candlelight, is there? So we've got a lovely terrace out there. I'll show you that in a second. If you come through, we had this console built that we talked about, taking inspiration from Amalfi, or the beautiful lemons, and the dessert trolley, which is being set up now. So dessert trolley was all inspired by that fantastic banquet you had with Savi's mum. And the Pina tiramisu is on the menu, I can assure you, I'll show you. Flowers by my beautiful wife, always great. And then if you come through, the artwork follows through again. This is Christiana Williams, who did all the artwork for Trinity, so she's featuring this side and this side of the kitchen. And then she's also done two special pieces up here for me as well. This is where the magic happens, right here. So this is the kitchen that we built for Rosina. We've got that marble again, marble in the center. It's a nice square island kitchen, but the island is where we prep rather than we cook. So all those chefs out there on my YouTube channel that understand about that, this is really reversed. So it's about prepping and working together in the middle and cooking on the outside. So completely different. And then we plate everything on this amazing pass with no heat lamps. So it's all really fast, quick service. We've got some grissini that we make, lovely grissini. We've got lemons for the lovely granita. We've got our olives that we serve, the lemon, the olive oil in the beginning. And this is the team prepping for tonight's service. If you come through this way.
Any bread, Chef?
There's bread. There is bread. I succumbed. And I realized, I think that, you know, any great meal has to start with bread. I listened. Okay, so in here we've got, this is called the Rose Room. So this is our private dining room. Amazing piece of art by an artist called Chris, who did this sort of scene. So that, where you saw me in Savi's parents' house down in Calabria, looking out over at Sicily, that was the view that I sort of stuck in my mind. It wasn't the exact view, but I inspired that. Another piece by Chris there, which is a geisha, and the Salisbury Cathedral piece by him as well over there. So I love his work, and we've celebrated it in here with this private dining room for 14. But the special thing about this room is that they can also dine outside for 16 people. So we've got a kitchen and a bar on the outside as well. That's where the magic happens. Look at that amazing wine cellar there. So we'll pop over here. I'll show you something special in here, Sam. So obviously, We got all the good stuff in here. We got all the incredible Saskaya, but Sorrentino, which you'll remember from Road to Rosina, that's that fantastic wine that we saw just by Mount Vesuvius. So we're listing that as well. In fact, all the suppliers that were on that trip pretty much are in Rosina now, with the Mortadella, the Endua's in there, obviously Rizzo Buono is in there with us as well. Savi's mum's tiramisu is in there. Let's go and see Savi. Savi, remember this guy? Buonasera.
Hello, ciao.
Remember? Can we see Mama's tiramisu?
Of course, sure.
Yeah. This is will be our head chef here. This is the main man running the kitchen for us here at Rosina. Absolute star. And it is about those people. It's about the produce, it's about the people, it's about the space, and it's about positioning the restaurant properly. And I really feel like we're at the beginning of something really beautiful. But listen, these are the soft openings, and this is what happens in a soft opening. We get in friends and family, we test all those tiny little details, and restaurants are about 1,000 moving parts, and you must test them before you actually release them on the public and charge money for them. We have to test, and get every detail right, and that's what this week is about. Lots of friends and family coming in, but from next week, it's paying customers, and it gets real. So here's that incredible tiramisu. We decided to serve it in these pots. We're doing it in 5 layers. We're using the incredible biscuits as well, aren't we, Sav? Pavazzini biscuits, and we're using that recipe given to us by Pina. So yeah, really proud of that. Selling like hotcakes in the soft opening, which is really cool. These are our lemons. I'm just preparing these for our little granita as well. So guys, listen, this is Rosina. Thank you ever so much to everyone that booked, and there are thousands of you. I cannot wait to serve you, look after you. Thanks for the support of the Road to Rosina. It's been one of the most incredible things I've ever done, and I can't wait to share it with you. So thanks.